Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the lock symbol next to your game on your PlayStation 5 console. And this is very easy to do. So next to Call of Duty, I have this lock symbol and it won't let me play. Now, what I simply have to do is verify the licenses. All I have to do is go up to settings right here and select this and go on down to users and accounts. Then go to other, then go to the right and go to restore licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be an issue with the licenses for the content. So all I have to do is go to restore right here. And depending on how many games you actually have is going to determine the length of time. So it will take me about 3 minutes for about 1,000 games. Now, another thing that you could try is going to cancel sharing offline play and just make sure this is enabled so you can play your games offline. And you can share PlayStation Plus and all your games with the additional accounts on your PlayStation 4. Also, when you go to restore licenses, make sure this is completed. If you back out before it's completed, you will still have the little lock symbol next to your games. Another thing that you could try is going to sign out right here. And then you will need your email address and password to log back into your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.